Blueberries are as pure and natural as food can be. As delicious and healthy as they are plucked straight from the bush, the possibilities for blueberries in the kitchen are exponential. As a chef, I think blueberries are an ideal ingredient for endless culinary exploration. Fresh, frozen, dried, freeze-dried, pureed, and juiced. Blueberries are extremely versatile across the entire menu, from drinks to desserts, in both sweet and savory applications. Blueberry puree is a perfect staple to have on hand for sauce work, or a quick contribution for crafting seasonal cocktails or naturally flavored blueberry soda. Frozen blueberries are perfect for a granita. The granita is great on its own, but they add surprising texture and flavor in unexpected places, like a fresh garden salad. For even more creative freedom, a glossy, super smooth blueberry gel perfectly showcases the versatility of the berry. Smear it, push it, pull it, brush it, paint it, splash it. There are no limits. Pulverized into powder and blended with sugar or salt, freeze-dried blueberries are an aromatic, flavorful, and colorful seasoning for dusting onto sweet or savory dishes. A particularly fun way to highlight blueberries' textural range is with fruit leather. It can be chewy as you'd expect, or dehydrated into a crackable, candy-like consistency. And that's just scratching the surface. With availability year-round, the culinary potential for blueberries really is endless.